Wait a minute, nigga. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on. What are you doing, bro?